In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you guys how we can download videos for free from Pexels website just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So all you have to do is you just need to open your Pexels homepage like this, go to your Pexels account like this, scroll down. So first click on videos and scroll down, and we have here unlimited videos. You have a lot of videos. Let's check, for example, this one. Click on the video that you want to download and you will be directly in this page like this. So for example, I want to download this video. So what you will do, just click over here on free download like this, and here you go. Your video will be downloaded to your laptop. Okay, let's check, and here you go. Your video will be downloaded to your laptop. It's super easy, guys. That's how we can download videos from Pexels. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next videos.